Girl, you don't need a bust down. Install Wanna Life hair extensions with me. These are color natural black 150 grams 20-inch 100% virgin human hair. To get the bust down look, braid your hair and pin it up with bobby pins. This hair is safe to style with heat, so I crimped it. I clip the extensions in top braided part of my hair and continue in sections, smiley face. Make sure to blend the hair with heat styling. If you're looking for a new hairstyle, this is an amazing product. Now all I do is lay my edges with a bit of gel and a spoolie cause I'm a last tech. These are my favorite extensions and they add to every look. You can buy them on my TikTok shop and 1 to 2 packs are all you need. Shop Wanna Life for the most natural and soft baddie look.